what is it? Now let's zoom in how to do it. So now let's start with the Rangoli. So first you have to keep Rangoli horizontal way, means 9 dot. So you can see I've kept the 9 dot. So below that you have to keep, or above that you have to keep then 8 dots between these two. Like that you have to keep coming. So between these two, these two. See, you can see. So you can see there are 8 dots. So above that you have to keep 7, the same way how I have said you. Between these 2 dots, like that you have to keep. Then above that you have to keep 6 dots. So you can see we have kept 6 dots. So now after that you have to not keep 5, you have to keep 3. So leave this cap and just give the dot. So you can see that I've left this gap and I've given only 3 dots. So the similar way you have to do the bottom. So now let's do it. So always count the dot and keep, or else you will make mistake. This is the full pattern of the dots, you can see. So now let's connect the dots. So first here you can see at the third line you have to do one complete line. So you can see I've left these 2 lines and done it. Then from this dot connect to this dot. Then connect to this dot. You can see that we have made a triangle, so again leave 3 rows and then do it. Then again this dot, then connect it like this, so you will get a star. Next here you have to connect this line and down this line. So then you have to put like this, these 2 dots will get connected, and then this dot. So it comes like this, the same way. So we are going to do it little different way. So here from this dot, you have to go. Okay. Then over here in this dot, so then go here. Then again connect this dot, connect this dot, then connect this dot, then again connect this dot, then this dot. So at last we'll give a circle to this dot. And if you want, you can erase these 2 dots if you want. So you can see our Rangoli is done. So you can see, while seeing it, it looks so complicated, but while doing it, it will be very easy. While seeing this Rangoli, it's very confusing, but while doing it, it's very easy. And don't forget to like my videos as my big. Thank you. Bye.